What is going on, guys? GregglesTV. I'm going to show you how to factory reset your Galaxy S10 device. You maybe want to do it because you're trading it in for a new phone, or maybe you're doing it because you want to sell it to somebody else, or whatever the reason is. Maybe you just want to start new. I'm going to show you how to reset it. So let's jump right into it. It's really simple. You're going to swipe down from the top and go into settings by hitting that little gear on the top, right? And then next, what you want to do is you want to go into general management right here, so tap that. Once you're in general management, what you want to hit is reset, and then click on factory data reset. And then from here, you want to go all the way to the bottom. Now with that, we're already at the bottom. You might want to do smart switch first, which will back up your phone for you. So there's two ways you can do it. If you have a SD card inside of your phone with enough storage to completely back up what's on the internal storage of your phone, then you can do it that way, going through smart switch and just going through the steps. Or you can also buy a device like this, which is USB-C at one end, and then I have a regular SD card on this end, and it'll back it up to that. I'll link this down below if you want to do it. There's other devices you can use too. If you want to do like a USB stick or something like that, then you can do that as well. Just make sure it's USB-C on one end. But anyways, and actually Samsung, when you buy this phone, actually has a little device too that has USB on one end and USB-C on the other. But you can use that and then plug a USB stick into that end. But regardless, it's very simple. You just go into smart switch and just walk through the steps of backing up your phone. So once you're done with that, what you want to do is hit reset. Then you want to put in your code. And at this point, I'm not gonna do it because I don't want to delete my phone, but all you're gonna do is hit delete all. And then at that point, it deletes all of your phone stuff. It takes, I don't know, it might take 10, 15 minutes, 5, 10, 15 minutes, something in that range. And it'll completely delete all your stuff. You can see all your personal information and downloaded apps will be erased and can't be recovered. Data that has been backed up to the SD card won't be erased, so that's good. So anything that's on your SD card won't be erased. For instance, if you just backed up your phone, or if you have photos and music and videos on there, that'll stay there. You can restore SD card data using smart switch after the reset, but again, it has to be backed up somewhere. So then again, all you do is hit delete all if you're all set, and it deletes your phone. So there you guys go. That is how you factory reset your Galaxy S10 device. Works on the S10e, S10, and S10 Plus. It should work with other Galaxy devices as well. If you have like a Note 9 or an S9 or some other phone like that, it'll work as well. And maybe again, you're looking to upgrade to the Note 10. Perfect way to reset your phone and make sure that all the stuff is off there and no one can get to it. And it's in good standing with Samsung and anybody else you're trading or selling it to. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you guys down the road. Peace.